I made it to the beach and now I'm off to explore. See if I can find a manatee. I don't think this is the right time of year. It's so clear, the water. I see fish jumping constantly, but I keep missing it. Oh, there's a manatee coming right there.
That's right. Oh.
They must keep track of them. Little area too. Let's see, a little snack bar, gifts. Probably check it out on the way back. Oh, there's some really big fish in there. I got this from the gift shop. What can I say? I really like them. It's getting busy. I have to get that fixed soon because I think it's starting to spread. I had one, like, you probably can't see it, and I had it fixed, but this one needs to be fixed. So I'm gonna work on that in the next few days. I'm headed to the Stenson Mansion. It's closed. They used to do tours there. They don't anymore, except for I believe they still do around Christmas. The hats and Western wear. I can't remember if he did boots, and I'll have to read up on that. But anyway, I'm gonna go check out the mansion. Then I think I might have to go do some laundry. So that will be fun.
Stetson Mansion may be closed.
I decided to stop for a quick bite to eat. I had crab cakes and grits. Very good. And next stop is car wash. has stopped working. I don't have the tools to take the battery out and reset it, so I might just put it in my suitcase and just go without it for the next week or so and see what that feels like. I'm going to continue getting lots of exercise, but I'm not going to monitor my steps for a while. This is the reconstruction of the sugar mill. It's a little eerie around here. A lot of strange sounds. On to Washington Oaks Historic District. I always gravitate toward the water. Beautiful trees in the garden area. Lots of roses. In my mind, I was under attack by a bee, but in reality, it probably just flew by me. I decided to check out another beach, Flagler Beach area. I want to get to that rocky area over there. I'm going to see what that looks like. I've wanted one of these for a long time, so I'm gonna get it. Leaving Florida.